Hello, everybody. Welcome to Monday. The S&P 500 was down 0.6% today. Really think we're focusing on what's going to happen on Wednesday, and that's when the CPI report will come out. This is the last big inflation report that will come out before the Fed meeting next week. The market's currently expecting an 86% chance that they will cut rates by 1/4 of 1%. That would be the third cut in a row. And so, anything that's really surprising to the upside from that CPI report could, upset the market some because it's already factoring in, a piece of this cut that's going to happen. So if a big CPI report comes out and they decide not to do the cut, the market would react negatively to that. Not dramatically, but definitely not positive. So that's why you're probably going to see a little risk off here going into that report. We have had a little bit higher numbers coming out of some of these inflation reports. We got the PCE report that came out at the end of November for October. It was a little bit higher than expected, those types of things. So inflation's been a little bit sticky. The Fed likes to get down to 2%. Right now, we're in that kind of 2.6 to 2.8% on core PCE. And so, I think the Fed is okay with that. They're still talking about reducing rates. I don't know that they'll continue to do it in the first part of next year. That'd be interesting to see how they continue to go in that regards. But overall, the employment market is pretty strong. The jobs report that came out looks okay. So they don't have to, really rush into lowering rates next year, for example. So I would expect them to do this rate lowering here in December and then kind of stop and wait and see what they want to do next year. But, the market was kind of getting a little stretched out also. Got, kind of all-time highs. Got into a little bit of that overbought territory where it's just getting kind of too stretched like I do with the rubber band. So coming back a little bit, I think, is kind of healthy. We have the year-end rebalancing that happens that I've been talking about all last week. Just that could kind of push the market, into more volatility or at least a softer zone for a while. Might hit the end of that right before the end of the year, and then have some kind of rally that comes. We'll see. I will say though that this particular year is a little different because we might be doing a rate cut in December, and again, the market really usually responds fairly positively to that. So if that does happen, maybe we continue to our rally all the way through December here and see how it goes. But anyway, not a bad day. It's okay to have the market take a rest once in a while. Still things are going in the right direction, that's for sure. So look forward to being able to talk to you again tomorrow. Thank you.